Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're going to be opening up my Stitch Fix box for the month of August. So let me give you the quick rundown about what Stitch Fix is. Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service for women, men, and children. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, accessories, whatever you want. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you get to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from your box, then the $20 styling fee gets applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all of your items, then you get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply your $20 styling fee. I no longer have that $20 styling fee because I was offered the Style Pass a few years ago. And so the Style Pass allows me to pay $49 each year to have unlimited fixes sent to me throughout the year. Stitch Fix is doing a fix preview, and so for my fix preview, I think I selected 3 of the items that are in this box. This is probably going to be my last summer fix because I'm getting ready to go back to school, and I'll be looking for those fall transition pieces in my box next month. So we're going to get into my box to see what I got for this month. So right on top you have your prepaid mailer envelope. Shipping is free both ways, which makes it really nice and convenient. It's already labeled and ready to go. So you'll use this bag if you want to send any items back or if you need to make any exchanges. You're going to have your white envelope, and inside the white envelope is your price invoice sheet. And this is fix number 48 for me. You're also going to have your Oh Hello card, and this is going to be a note from your stylist, but it's also going to give you styling suggestions for the items that are in your box. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and read my note from my stylist, and it says, Hey Jennifer, have you gone on your trip to Anna Maria Island yet? Well, I hope you and your family have or had the time of your life, and I'm so happy I'm able to build outfits to make getting dressed easy breezy so you can focus on making memories. We did go to the beach and we had a great time. How summer goes by so fast, and I wish I could bottle it up and bring it out during the winter time. We are enjoying summer. My husband surprised me with a trip to Key West for our anniversary. My daughter got spoiled by my sister while we were away. I wish I could chat more, but let's dive into your fix. I've continued with summer style before it's time to talk fall. I'm glad you grabbed the Kason blouse, perfect now with your new Capris and your jelly sandals. Bringing back the jellies for a nostalgic look and Skorts. Go monochromatic with the Audrie Skort plus the Nayla tank. Enjoy, Kara. And so you've got your style cards here. All right. And so I have a shoe bag here. Set that to the side. And here's a look at my bundle. Lots of blue. All right. Let's open the shoes first. All right, so the shoe tag says Sam Edelman Footwear Bay Jelly Sandal in black, size 9. And here is what they look like. They're just a flat sandal. They're very shiny. They have this little design on the top of them. They don't have a lot of tread on the bottom of them, so we'll have to see how these look on my feet. I'll try these on and I'll see what we think. And now for the bundle. So the first item is an item that I chose for my fix preview. It is by Fortune and Ivy, the Kason split neck blouse in black. And so it looks like this. It does have this little cross detail at the top, plus a little keyhole here. The colors are, it's black, but it has like a really light pink right here and some white. It's polyester in the front, and then it's probably like a rayon mixture on the back. So we'll see what I think about that. Next is an item that I also chose for my fix preview, and it's by Rainn, the Nayla lace neck knit tank in blue. So it's this really pretty blue tank. It has some really pretty lace detail right here. It also has like a Swiss dot look to it. It's a little stretchy. I just thought it was really pretty with the details at the top and the little keyhole. It has a basic back with the Swiss dots. Let's see what the material is real quick. All right, so it says that the self is 76% polyester, 24% rayon. The contrast is 100% polyester. So I just really like the color of this top and the pretty details at the top. Now next is something she chose for me, and she chose a Skort. And I am not sure I'm a Skort girl, so we shall see. This is by Violets and Roses, the Audrie pull-on pocket Skort in blue. And she did suggest putting it with this blue tank top for a monochromatic look, so we will try that. So it has these little pockets right here. It does have a very stretchy waistband. In the back, the pockets are functional. And then underneath it has just a little cottony little blue short underneath. I don't know how I feel about that, so we'll have to see what I think when I try that on. But I do think the two items would match well. And then last but not least, I chose these capris. It is by Just USA, the Lola button-up skinny jean capris, light blue. And I don't have any capris in this light blue color. So it's a really light wash. It has the cute little button fly here. Very stretchy. No distressing or anything like that, just a basic capri. So I will try that on with some of these tops. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to do a try on, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I have on the first two items. And so on top, I have by Rainn, the Nayla lace neck knit tank. And then I have on the Skort, which is by Violets and Roses, the Audrie pull-on pocket Skort. And my stylist did suggest that I put these two together for a monochromatic look. So let's start with the top here. I do love the like lace, pretty details up here at the top. I like the little keyhole. I like the little Swiss dot look. Does have like some pleats right here at the top. It comes down about right here. It's about the same in the back. The armholes are really good. So I think I really like the color of this top. What do you guys think about it? Now the item in question is this Skort, which does come up very high. It has a very stretchy waistband right here, and you just pull it up. It has the pockets on the side right here. The length of the Skort is actually pretty good for me. Has the pockets in the back. So what do you think about these two items together? When I showed my husband and my daughter, they thought maybe the Skort would look better with a white top or something like that. But you guys tell me what you think. And I'm not sure about the Skort. What do you think about the Skort on me? It's comfortable, plenty of stretch. So you guys tell me what you think about this outfit, especially this Skort. All right, I'm gonna try on the next outfit and I'll be right back. All right, guys, back with the second outfit, and this has the last three pieces. So on top I have by Fortune and Ivy the Kason split neck blouse. Then I have on the bottom the Just USA Lola button-up skinny jean capris. And then I have on the Sam Edelman Bay Jelly Sandal. So as my stylist recommended in her note, she did say for me to pair the blouse with the capris and the jelly sandals, bringing back a nostalgic look. Let's start with the top. It has a little crisscross detail, which I know some people don't love. It doesn't bother me. Has a little keyhole right here. Has a floral print. Get it close so you can see. Kind of a peachy, light, pale pink right here, and then white on the black background. The front is polyester. The back is like a rayon kind of spandex mix. The armholes seem to be fitting me pretty well. All right, so the jeans. They have the really cute button fly detail. Just USA jeans tend to have a lot of stretch, which is good. They are definitely a capri length, which I like for this time of year. It stays hot here for quite a while. And then I have the jelly sandals, which are right here. And I do think this makes for a cute outfit together. I don't own a lot of slides, but my daughter and my husband thought the whole outfit looked cute together. So you guys tell me what you think. I'm going to try to get down a little bit closer so you can see the sandals a little bit better. Be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the little sandals, and they are just a basic black little jelly sandal. They have that detail going across the top of the foot. They are a slide with a flat bottom. Just a very casual little sandal. So what do you guys think about these little sandals? All right, I'm gonna get changed. I'll be back to do a recap and talk about prices. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. And so I'm gonna need your help with this fix. I have some items that are in question and I want your opinion on them. So let's get started. The first item on my list is the Sam Edelman Footwear, the beige jelly sandal in black. And these are $60. They're a cute kind of casual sandal. I don't have any black sandals. They are a slide with a kind of a flat heel. So what do you guys think about these sandals? Do you think I should keep these or send them back? The sandals are one of the items that I have questions about. I do think they're cute. I thought they looked cute with the little jean capris and the black top. So you tell me what you think about those sandals. Next is by Just USA, the Lola button-up skinny jean capris in light blue, and these are $58. I love the Just USA and Just Black brands. They're stretchy, they're soft, they're comfortable. I love the little button fly detail, and I don't have a really light wash jean capri like this. So I'm thinking those are keepers. Next is by Fortune and Ivy, the Kason split neck blouse in black, and that was this one. This is the cheapest item in the box at $38. I thought it paired well with the light jean capris like she suggested and the little black jelly sandals. And then I have the second item in question, which is the Violets and Roses Audrie pull-on pocket Skort in blue, and it's $48. This was really comfortable. I love how it came up really high-waisted. The length of it was really nice for me. I did pair it with that blue top like she suggested, but I might be more likely to pair it with something like a white top. You guys tell me what you think about the monochromatic look, or would you pair it with a white top? And do you think I should keep the Skort? I need your help. And then last but not least is by Daniel Rainn, the Nayla lace neck knit tank in blue, and this one's $58. I thought this was a really pretty tank top. I love the little extra details. All right, so my stylist pick subtotal was $262. If I keep all 5 items, I get that 25% discount, which would take off $65.50. That would leave me with an order subtotal of $196.50. I do have $100 in credit right now, so if I take that off, that would leave me $96.50 for these 5 items. I want to say thank you to whoever used my referral link. That really helps me out. I am going to leave my referral link in the description box below. I do think I still have that $50 link still active, so if it's still active, I'll put it in the description box, and if not, it would be the $25 link. So the $50 referral link would waive your styling fee. The box would get shipped to you for free, and then if you decided to keep anything, you would have $50 to put towards anything that you received in your box. My husband, my daughter, and myself, we all get Stitch Fix boxes, and we really love the convenience of the service. If you have any questions, let me know, and until next time, bye guys.